If you've ever left acrylic paint on your brushes, then join my club. This brush has got so hard that I can use it for a sword fight. But by the end of this video, I'm hoping that it's actually soft enough to use it for painting. Hi, I'm Dr. Shazia, your paint buddy, and if you love secret art tips, fun painting demos, and brutally honest art supply reviews, then stop scrolling and keep watching Conversations with Canvas. Today I'm going to be attempting a full-on brush rescue mission. Now usually I take pretty good care of my acrylic brushes because I know these things are pretty expensive, and honestly watching a very good brush get ruined hurts my soul a lot. But last week I was in a rush and I forgot to clean this brush. And then one day became 2 days and now it's nearly a week. And at this point, I genuinely think that this brush is beyond saving and it's time to retire it. But before throwing it away, I actually came across this little brush cleaning hack and I thought, maybe, there's still hope for this one. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm boiling water, and in this super hot water I'm going to be adding in some dishwashing liquid. Now there is no mention about the quantity of the dishwashing liquid, so I just hope this much is enough, and it doesn't even say how much time I'm supposed to soak it. So I'll just soak this brush in this concoction. Now it's been 5 minutes and already the paint has started to soften off and it's coming off. Now just a warning, please be very careful. The water is really hot and you do not want to burn yourself. And please don't be as impatient as I am over here. Just let the brush soak for a few minutes and then remove the softened paint. Most of the paint has now come off the brush, and you can see that the brush cleaning soup color has also changed, which means that the paint was still wet under this dried paint. And that means that acrylics do take some time to dry off, especially if you're using thick paint. Now it's time to just clean up and remove all the paint debris by using clean water and following it up with my regular cleaning process. Well, to tell you the truth, I wasn't expecting this kind of a miracle, but this hack actually worked better than I thought it would, and at least the brush is now usable again. So now if you've got any dried up acrylic brush hiding somewhere in your studio, it might be worth giving this a try before declaring it a lost cause and throwing it away in a bin. And if you have a brush cleaning hack that worked for you, do share it in the comments. Until next time, take care, keep creating, and I'll see you soon for more art magic on Conversations with Canvas. Bye.